Alright, now for the next step, we convert this over to 3D geometry and 2D geometry. So to do that, what I like to do is put this product over in a corner. And you can see that these are two separate halves because I mirrored them. So we can go object join. Object path join. And there should be okay, good. A cleanup that allows me to see if there's any bad path openings. This one's good. Okay, this one needs to be joined. Perfect. Now this object right here is one whole part, so I'm going to put it over here just for a second. And then I'm going to go into Pathfinder. So Pathfinder is open somewhere on my area, I just don't know where. There it is, Pathfinder. So Pathfinder allows you to take and cut out these based upon this one right here. So right now I have to highlight this one or highlight this one, but what I want to do is highlight the whole entire thing and have it be one huge entity. So I'll highlight it all and hit this one, I believe. Yep, that one. So now that's one whole part. Good. Now I'll take this one and do the same thing. Notice it's different this time, and that's often the time with Pathfinder. Okay, not that one. So have the undo button handy with Pathfinder. Two intersecting points. Oh. And that time it worked. So this time you can only do, and it's that one. See what I'm saying? So it's very schizophrenic half the time. There we go, minus. So it's either that one or this one, or combinations thereof, until you can finally highlight this and it's all one part. If you see something disappear, rule of thumb, hit undo. So this one we need it to be a piece of 3D geometry because a light switch cover, or a light switch, has a concaved area where all the junk fits in. So it couldn't be a laser cut part. This could, however. Okay. So in order to battle this, what we'll do is take this and export it as an SVG. I'll make a new layer. We still need to know where the holes are at though, right? Where are those holes at? So this is how I do that. Hold Alt and make a copy of the product. And we'll move this one to this layer. We'll call this laser. And we'll move that now up into the corner and shut it off. I only need to know where the screws are at for this one, not the frame. So you take the white arrow and you can delete all the points here. Leaving only the screw holes. And thereby taking these and hitting the right button. There we go. Now this is all one part. So this is my 3D. Perfect. So that's a cleanup that we had to do on the product. One last thing for the cleanup, we have to put a little square in the corner, and the little square is used for a 0 marker for the laser cutter. More on that when we get to the laser point. So that's the cleanup process. Now we'll go to the generating the geometry.